Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of container gardening. Whether you have a backyard, balcony, or windowsill, container gardening lets you grow your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Let's get started. The first step to successful container gardening is selecting the right container. The type of container you choose can significantly impact the health and growth of your plants. Drainage is crucial for healthy plant growth. Without proper drainage, water can accumulate at the bottom of the pot, leading to waterlogged soil. Without proper drainage, excess water can lead to root rot, which can severely damage or even kill your plants. Always choose containers with drainage holes. These holes allow excess water to escape, preventing the roots from sitting in water. If your pot doesn't have drainage holes, you can drill some. This simple step can make a big difference in the health of your plants. Consider the size of the container. Different plants have different space requirements. A plant's roots need enough room to grow and spread out. Smaller herbs thrive in compact pots, which are perfect for windowsills or small spaces, while larger vegetables need more room. These plants benefit from spacious containers that allow their roots to expand. Get creative with your container choices, but prioritize drainage and size. Whether you use vintage buckets or modern ceramic pots, ensuring proper drainage and adequate space will help your plants thrive. Now that you've found the perfect containers, let's talk about the foundation, the soil. Use a good quality potting mix instead of garden soil. Potting mix provides the ideal balance of drainage, aeration, and nutrients. Look for a mix that is lightweight, porous, and contains ingredients like peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. Investing in a high-quality potting mix sets your container garden up for success. Now comes the fun part, choosing the plants. This is where you can get creative and select varieties that not only thrive in containers, but also suit your taste and style. Consider the amount of sunlight your space receives. Some plants need full sun, while others do well in partial shade. Knowing this will help you make the best choices. For beginners, start with easy-to-grow varieties. These plants are more forgiving and can help build your confidence as a gardener. Herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano are perfect for container gardening. They are not only easy to grow but also incredibly useful in the kitchen. And mint is a fantastic choice. It grows vigorously and can be used in a variety of dishes and drinks. Tomatoes are another excellent choice. They are versatile and can be grown in various container sizes. Compact varieties like cherry tomatoes work well in smaller spaces and produce a bountiful harvest. Lettuce and other salad greens are rewarding to grow and offer multiple harvests. They are quick to mature and can be harvested continuously. Imagine harvesting fresh, crisp lettuce leaves from your own backyard or balcony. It's a satisfying experience that adds a personal touch to your meals. Watering is essential, and it's important to find the right balance. Too much or too little water can harm your plants. Understanding the specific needs of each plant type is crucial for their health and growth. Overwatering and underwatering are common pitfalls. Overwatering can lead to root rot and yellowing leaves, while underwatering can cause wilting and stunted growth. Check soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. This simple test can help you determine if your plant needs water. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If moist, hold off. Consistently checking the soil will help you avoid overwatering or underwatering. The frequency of watering depends on several factors, including plant type and weather. Some plants need more water during hot, dry periods, while others may require less. Water deeply and less frequently rather than giving a little sprinkle every day. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper, making plants more resilient. Water thoroughly until you see water draining out of the holes. This ensures that the entire root system gets hydrated. Avoid getting water on the leaves to prevent fungal diseases. Wet leaves can create a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Pay attention to your plants and adjust your watering schedule as needed. Each plant is unique, and observing their response to watering will guide you in providing the right care. Let's talk about essential maintenance practices. Fertilizing is crucial for providing nutrients. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer specifically for container gardening. Pruning helps keep your plants compact and encourages bushier growth. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to make clean cuts. Regularly inspect your plants for pests and use natural pest control methods. Keep your container garden healthy and thriving throughout the growing season. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps toward creating your own thriving container garden. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration, tips, and tricks. Happy gardening!